Hello everyone. Hope you all are safe and healthy. I am Somali from Team Get You At. Today I have come to show you how to make a Pinterest business account. Pinterest is the fourth most popular social media platform in the United States after Twitter, LinkedIn, and Snapchat. Pinterest is popular with women. This means it is a great platform for a large number of business industries who has large number of female customers. People use Pinterest to shop. According to Pinterest, 55% of pinners are specifically looking for products. So this is a great platform for B2C businesses. Pins boost brand exposure. As it is linked to the business website, it helps brands to give a great exposure. In Pinterest, there are two ways of creating a business account: either switch your personal account to business account, or while signing up, choose Create a Business Account. I am starting from the beginning. Signing up with Google seems to be a good option. After signing up, Pinterest will automatically set your language and country. Pinterest will ask you to link your website. Now, you need to have a website in order to have a functioning Pinterest account. Because all the pins lead to the website. This is the key reason why Pinterest have one of the highest conversion rates. Pinterest then will ask if I am interested in running ads. I have selected yes, as promotion always boosts your business. There are three ways of getting started in Pinterest: creating pin, creating ad, or building your profile. Let us set up the profile first. Fill out all the forms that are given there. While writing your Pinterest bio, please keep in mind that it will appear in Google search results. So use your website link along with some top searched keywords. Your Pinterest account is ready. Unlike Facebook and Twitter, you cannot upload any content in Pinterest if it does not have an image included. The base of Pinterest is creating pin, and that needs image. So you need to pay extra attention to the quality of the image that you are sharing. Here many functionalities are available like pins, rich pins, promoted pins, audience insights, and many more. Now you have a Pinterest business account. Now create, share, and promote your pins and get a major boost in your business. If you need further help in any one of the platforms, please let us know. We will be more than happy to help. If you like our video, please share and subscribe. We will come soon with a brand new video. Till then, stay safe everyone and spend your quarantine well.